Rearranging tasks, milestones, and swim lanes by dragging and dropping is the simplest way to change the structure and look of your visual in Office Timeline Online. You can do this either in the Timeline view or in the Data view. Let's start with the Timeline view. For tasks and milestones, you can reorder them vertically, or you can easily drag them in and out of swim lanes. You can even move more of them on the same row to save space on your slide. Putting tasks and milestones on the same row also automatically groups them, meaning that if you click and hold this handle to the right of the row, you can move the entire group at the same time. Swim lanes can also be reordered vertically, and they can even be placed above your timescale. To reposition the entire graph, click and drag the timescale. And when you're done, remember to click Save. You can reorder items in the Data view in a similar manner. Just drag the left side handles to easily reorder tasks, milestones, and swim lanes vertically. That's it for this video. But if you want to learn more, don't forget to check out the Office Timeline Support Center. Thanks for watching.